Most creators waste hours trying to go viral, but viral videos are not random. They follow a clear pattern your brain instantly reacts to. It's not about luck or talent, it's about the hook, the pacing, and the emotion that keep people watching. This is the creative DNA of a viral video, and without it, you're just guessing. That's where Pippit comes in. It analyzes viral content, extracts the exact formula behind it, and helps you recreate what already works faster and smarter. Stop guessing and start creating with Pippit. Pippit, a ByteDance product, can now clone the creative DNA of any video and lets you recreate any viral video from an online reference. Same viral impact, faster to launch. One of the hardest parts of growing a faceless social media channel or page is figuring out what style, rhythm, and visual flow really works. Many creators waste their time starting from scratch, even when the best videos already show you the formula. This is where Pippit's video reference feature really comes in handy. Instead of guessing what makes a good video, you just give Pippit a reference video, and it will create a new, creative version for you based on the same structure. In fact, Pippit is a powerful AI-powered video creation tool that helps you create content very quickly and professionally. Instead of editing manually, Pippit analyzes the structure of a reference video and recreates it automatically with new content. Pippit is one of the best tools you can use. Just sign up. The site link is in the video description. Now here you see the main Pippit dashboard, where the entire video creation process is done intelligently. In this section, we click on the reference video option and upload the reference video we want. This video helps Pippit recognize the rhythm, structure, and overall style of the work. Then Pippit automatically writes the video prompts. You don't need to write the prompts yourself. After that, in the model section, you can choose one of the models. For example, Pippit Max, or Dreamin' a SkillEarly 2.0 Fast, or Sora 2. In this example, I choose the Sora 2 model to produce a more accurate and professional result. And in the aspect ratio section, you can choose the video size, and in the video length section, you can choose the video time. At this point, Pippit will automatically open a new window and start generating a new version of the video, based on the structure of your reference video, without the need for manual editing or complex settings. Now let's compare the two videos. The video that Pippit created, and the original video. Now let's go through these steps again, to see exactly how it works. First, we upload the reference video. After that, we select the desired model. Next, you can adjust the video size, as well as the output duration, so that the final result is created exactly according to the structure and rhythm of the original video. In this way, Pippit intelligently analyzes the style, timing, and flow of the reference video, and produces a new version that perfectly matches the same structure for you. Fast, automatic, and without the need for manual editing. Now let's compare the videos and see. The resulting output maintains the rhythm and structure of the reference video, even when you change the content to your own new subject. This means you have a very strong starting point, without having to build everything from scratch. The platform intelligently analyzes the visual rhythm, timing of scenes, and overall flow of a short video, and transforms that same structure into a new output. Instead of designing everything from scratch, you start with a format that has already stood the test of time. Let's compare another example. And now here's a version that Pippit has produced, using the same creative structure. As you can see, the timing and visual logic have been preserved, but the content has been completely adapted to the new theme. Since the process is fully automated, you can produce several different versions of a successful structure in just a few minutes. And because Pippit gives you free daily credits every day, you can easily experiment with different formats and choose the one that works best. You give it a proven structure, and Pippit will rebuild that structure around your new content. This tool isn't going to reinvent the wheel, it's going to make the process of getting started faster, easier, and smarter. For creators who already know what types of videos work well in their niche, this tool can be a real time saver. Instead of guessing what works, you just re-implement the same successful structure. Signing up for Pippit is free, and you get new credits every day. If you have ideas for content, but haven't had the time to create them, this could be a good time to give this tool a try. What types of videos do you think are best suited to being rebuilt with this tool? Leave your ideas in the comments. You can also check out the links in the video descriptions. You might also find some special discounts there. And as always, if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for sticking with me until the end. See you in the next video.